Hello beautiful people, how are you guys doing? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Yancy and I'm on a journey to become debt free. Happy Saturday. I am so excited for today, you guys. So we're doing Christmas saving binder. We have $40 to play with today. I am so excited, you guys. So before anyone asks me, no, I do not have this binder available. I do sell binders. I don't have any binders at the moment. I am currently sold out. I'll be bringing out 4 different colors by the end of next month. So the end of May, I should have 4 different colors. And no, red is not one of the colors. A different red will be coming later on during the year, okay? But keep that in head, keep that in mind. So today, let me do a little flip through. So this is a Merry Christmas Disney theme from Budget with Amanda. I purchased this from her Etsy shop and I am so excited to use this, you guys. I will do a little flip through, and this money here is gonna go towards my emergency fund. You know, you just have to find a fun way to play around with and save money. You gotta do what you gotta do to keep motivating, keep pushing, and I think this is just a fun way for me to keep saving for my emergency fund, because I don't have any emergency fund. I know. All right, so we have the cover here for Mickey. Then we have Save 75. Each icon is $5. Then you have Save 40 and plus, because you're gonna scratch those numbers here, and then you roll and you save whatever you roll from the dice. And then you have Save 94. You roll and search. So I'm excited to do this. I'm gonna see how I do this one. Another Scratch and Save, super fun. It's $80 in here. This one right here is 64 bucks. Each of icon is $6, $8, and $2. Very doable. Then you have Save 50 or plus, because you're going to scratch and roll, which I think is so much fun. Then I have Save 51 plus roll and save. So nice. And you will hear some noises. And then this one, she explained to me, catch all saving challenge. So let's say, for example, if I have $1 left over and I don't want to do any challenge, I just put $1 here and I don't have to have an IOU. So I think it's so much fun. And this is the last dashboard, and it comes with 2 envelopes. And yeah, so let's go ahead and get started, shall we? I have 40 bucks to play with, so you might hear some noises over there, you guys, because the kiddos are awake. Well, one of them, the other one's asleep. All right, so let's see how we go. She did send me a dice, but I'm going to use my bigger dice just in case I need it. All right, so first thing first, we're going to save the $5 because that's what it says. Each icon is $5. So we're gonna do a $5. So let's see how far we get. I hope we get far. I'm excited. All right. So there's that 5 right there. So I will condense my money later on because this is a lot of ones. So I'm just playing with ones right now, but I will condense the money later. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, we got 5. Awesome. So there's that. All right, next we have Save 40. Okay, let's do our first scratch off. Let's roll and see what we scratch first. A 2. So 1, 2. So we're going to scratch number 2. All right, here we go. Oh my goodness, it's a 6. All right, we're going to scratch off a 6. Okay, not bad though. All right, hopefully my tripod doesn't move that bad. All right, so we're scratching off a 6. Awesome. I don't have my binder decorated because I just thought of this not that long ago. I will be decorating. Oh my gosh, little by little. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6. Let me double check that it is $6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. Okay, so 6. All right, awesome. Next. All right, this one, let's roll for the top. Let's roll the top. So number 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and let's see what we roll for here. It's gonna be another 6. Oh my goodness. Okay, so 6 and 6. So we have the Santa hat. Oh my gosh. So that's another $5. Oh my goodness. Okay, $5. Let's color that bad boy up. Oh my goodness, you guys, $5. Okay. Okay, so $5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, we're doing big numbers. We're starting off strong. Okay, so there's that. All right, next we have save 80, scratch and save. Okay, let's see which one we're going to scratch. Number 1. So we're going to scratch this one. All right, let's see. Oh my goodness. OMG, guys, do I have $9? I'm sure I do. Wow, I am starting off with a big number, you guys. I'm starting off strong. Y'all see that? Do you guys see that? Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm not complaining. I do need emergency funds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, $9. All right, next, let's see. All right, this one is let's do the highest number. So let's do a 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, wow. Let's get those big high number first out, because you know it'd be best for us before we finished it. It will take a while because I'm gonna do it every other Saturday. I'm gonna do this. So yeah. Okay. So there's that. Yay! All right. Next we have save 50 and roll. Let's see what we do. Let's see. Do we roll or do we scratch off? We do it 3. So 1, 2, 3. Oh my gosh, I'm scared. I'm scared. I hope I don't have an IOU. I'm scared. I'm scared. Oh my goodness. It's a 10. Oh my goodness, you guys. I don't know if I'm gonna do it. Oh my gosh. Amanda, what is this doing to me? It's kicking my butt. I don't think I have a 10, but let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. No, no, no. $9. No, no, no. We have an IOU of $1. Oh, this sucks. Okay, it is what it is. An IOU of $1. I don't have an IOU. I will create an IOU for Christmas theme. Oh my goodness. No. It is what it is, right? Okay. Let me go ahead and put this clip from Crafted by Coco. You guys, I love her paper clips. Let me do this gingerbread clip. We're gonna put it here that we left off here. So we left off right there. So that means that next time when we play, we are going to do this one. Oh my goodness, you guys, we have a leftover of not leftover, we have an IOU of $1. That's so sad. That's so sad. No, we were so close. All right, so let me condense that money. So we need $40. So let's see. So we got 10, 20. Well, let me do bigger bills because I may need that for who knows. So let's do 20. Okay. And 40. So let's do that. Let's do 40 like this. Okay, so $40 so far on my emergency fund, and we need $1 for my IOU. Oh my gosh, I'm so sad. It's sad day. It's a sad day. No, it's okay. I'm not complaining. All right, so $40 in there, you guys. Oh my gosh, that was fun. That was so much fun. Did you guys like it? Let me know. I'll be doing this every other Saturday, so stay tuned for that. Look how cute my little gingerbread paperclip looks. Oh my gosh, I am obsessed. Look at that. Love it. All right, guys, I will go ahead and do the giveaway winner for this binder here. Congratulations, you are the winner chicken dinner. Yeah, message me on Instagram so you can claim your prize. I'm excited for you. And then the next giveaway is gonna be for this right here. Let me show you. Give me 1 second. So excited. So okay, so the next giveaway is going to be, for the next one, is this right here. OMG. It's the cute little Hello Kitty. Easter is here, Hello Kitty edition for 137. So if you want to enter for this one, leave me a comment with the sentence that says Easter. And then if you want to enter for this paper clip, it is a beautiful cherry blossom paper clip. It is so cute. If you want to enter for this one, leave me a comment with leave me a sentence with the word cherry blossom. So if you want to enter for cherry blossom or enter for the Hello Kitty. So yeah, all right guys, I will announce the winner tomorrow. So good luck to everybody. And yeah, thank you so much for stopping by today. Today was fun. It was different but fun. I love it. Obsessed. Yeah, so I see you guys on the next one. Bye guys. Thank you.